Hey guys, what's up? So iQOO announced the iQOO 3 in India earlier this year but has not announced any other smartphone afterward. However, that may change soon with the iQOO 5 and iQOO 5 Pro that the company will launch on the 17th of August. The phone may also make its way to India pretty soon if the company's official Twitter account is anything to go by. We have got some renders of the two phones in the series and it looks like both the phones might get a 6.56-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate similar to the one on the Vivo X50 Pro. According to a recent leak of the iQOO 5 Pro, the phone may have a textured carbon fiber finish on its back. The same kind of texture design can be seen in the images of the retail box of the phone as well. We can also see a triple camera setup at the back. The main camera might be a 50-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL GN1 sensor along with dual OIS. The second sensor is a 13-megapixel ultra-wide and the third one seems to be an 8-megapixel camera with a periscope zoom lens that might have a 5x optical and 60x hybrid zoom. The vanilla iQOO 5 might also have a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide, while the third one might be a telephoto or a macro camera. On the front we have the 120Hz Samsung-made AMOLED display with a punch hole cutout for the selfie camera on the top left corner. The display also supports a 240Hz touch sampling rate that should make it a smooth operation to use the screen. We have a Geekbench 4 score of the iQOO 5 and it reveals the phone's SoC, which is the Snapdragon 865 along with 12GB of RAM, also that the phone runs the latest version of Android 10. Of course, the phone will get other RAM and storage options like 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The phone gets the latest LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, which makes it a performance beast and on par with other flagship phones launched this year. iQOO has recently partnered with BMW M Motorsport for the 2020 DMT season and revealed that they will be launching a special BMW edition of the iQOO 5. The poster of the BMW edition iQOO 5 series shows that its textured rear could be made from carbon fiber material. The rear panel of the device has curved edges with blue accents. The vertical camera setup is a periscope zoom lens as the third shooter, which means that the BMW edition may be based on the Pro model. Both the smartphones may get a 4000 mAh battery, which is small by 2020 standards, with phones getting anywhere between 4500 to 5000 mAh battery, but the Pro model may get the super fast 120W charging, which should juice it up from 0 to 100% in around 15 minutes at normal room temperature, which is great and you don't have to spend a lot of time charging the phone even if the battery doesn't last very long. What's even crazy is that just 5 minutes of charge will give you 50% of battery life. The phone is also backwards compatible with 55 or 45 watts fast charging and it even supports 65 watts USB-C power delivery. The less premium iQOO 5 might have to do with a 55 watts fast charging solution, which is not slow by any means. The iQOO 5 has a 120dB high dynamic hi-fi audio chip and stereo speakers. It also supports high-res audio, however it is missing a headphone jack. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Smash the like button if you liked the video. Also consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.